Jai Jinendra. Today's video I am making in English for those who want to learn about Jainism, but because of language problem they don't understand Hindi, but they want to learn about Jainism. Okay, so today first of all we will talk about the myth regarding Jainism. Generally, people believe that Jainism was founded by Lord Mahavira, but it is not so. He was not the founder of Jainism, but he was the person who carried forward the teachings of our previous Tirthankaras, what they taught, what they had given to the people. He just carried forward them. Generally, what happens is that the cycle, our time cycle, it is divided into 6 parts. Like clock, you take an example of a clock. We have 6 stages of deterioration when the needle comes down, and 6 stages of progress. So in the same way, what happens is that in 6 stages there is always a downfall regarding the height, regarding knowledge, regarding power, regarding dharma practices also. So there are 6 stages of deterioration. In these periods, these things deteriorate, and then comes the 6 stages of progress. Okay, so what happens is that during the 4th stage, when it comes, 4th stage is the place where all these practices, matlab dharma practices, deteriorates. So whenever there is a deterioration in dharma, special people take birth on this earth to again teach people the path of salvation. They themselves are like human beings. They themselves are human beings, normal human beings like us, but they tell us how they have attained the salvation, what path they have followed, and they also show us, being an idol to us. They being an idol to us, we also know about which path to follow to attain salvation. Okay, so these Tirthankaras are generally those special people who evolve time to time, who take birth on this earth time to time to show us the path of salvation. They themselves have attained salvation, and they also show us the path to attain it. Okay, so Jainism is basically not a religion that is of 5,000 years back or 10,000 years back, but it is there till this universe is existing. It has been till that, from that time, since that time, and it will continue to be till the universe exists. Okay, and the universe there never ends. Matlab there are always the stages of deterioration and upward progress also, and from time to time some special people take birth, and they tells us the way the world is. Actually, they don't tell, Jainism is not a religion that has its special preachings or what, but it tells the way the world exists. It tells us the way to perceive the things in their actual manner. Means there are 3 slogans for which they emphasize: our right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. Means you should believe, you should see the things the way they are. Actually, we are not seeing them like they are, but we always and if we see them and we have faith in them that they are in the same way, and we behave accordingly, then we can also attain salvation. That is what Jainism teaches us. Okay, now there has been in our present age, in present time, it is actually the deterioration time. Okay, we see that there is not much dharma during these periods. So actually, Tirthankar Mahavir, he was there, he attained salvation about 2500 years back. Okay, and before him also there had been 24 Tirthankaras. Okay, the first one was Adinath Bhagwan. है ना, he took birth in the 3rd stage of this cycle, and he had been there. All the Tirthankaras were there on the 4th stage till the 4th stage, and now it is we are in 5th stage of this time cycle. Okay, and this time cycle will end in sixth stage, and then again the stage of progress will start. So let us see that who were the 24 Tirthankaras of this present time cycle. We have their names. So the first one was Lord Adinath, second was Lord Ajitnath, third was Lord Sambhavnath, fourth was Lord Abhinandan Nath, fifth was Lord Sumatinath, then Padmaprabh, Suparshvanath, Chandraprabh, Pushpadant, Sheetalnath, Shreyansnath, Vasupujya, Vimalnath, Anantnath, Dharmanath, Shantinath, Kuntunath, Arnath, Mallinath, Munisuvratnath, Naminath, Neminath, Parshvanath and Mahavir Bhagwan. So there had been 24 Tirthankaras in this present time period. Okay, and there had been a lot of time difference between each one of them. Means Lord Adinath was there crores and crores of years back. He had been there. Okay, so and before them also there were 24 Tirthankaras. We get their names also in our Shastra, and there we also have many idols, many temples in which we get their idols and we pray to them. These were the in past. These 24 Tirthankaras were there in past. So they were Shri Nirvannath, Sagar, Mahasadhu, Vimal Prabh, Shuddhab Dev, Sridhar, Shridat, Siddhab Dev, Amal Prabh, उद्धार देव, अग्निदेव, संयम, शिव, पुष्पांजलि, उत्साह, परमेश्वर, ज्ञानेश्वर, विमलेश्वर, यशोधर, कृष्णमति, ज्ञानमति, शुद्धमति, श्रीभद्र एंड अनंत वीर्य. Okay, and now we also have the names for those 24 Tirthankaras who will take birth in the second time cycle of progress. In the in its third stage they will take birth, and their names are Shri Mahapadma, Surdev, Suparshva, Swayamprabh, Sarvatma Bhut, Dev Putra, Kul Putra, उद्दंक, प्रौष्ठिल, जय कीर्ति, मुनि सुव्रत, अर, निष्पाप, निष्कषाय, विपुल, निर्मल, चित्रगुप्त, समाधिगुप्त, स्वयंभू, अनिर्वर्तक, जय, विमल, देवपाल, अनंत वीर्य. Okay, so these are the names of the Tirthankaras who were there in past, of present, and they will be in future. But in the same way we have Ananta 24 Tirthankara and Ananta 24 Tirthankaras were there, had been in the past, and they will be in future, continue to be in future, because Jainism believes that in every 6 months 608 jeeves in every हर 6 महीने 8 समय में, मीन्स every 6 months and 8 समय there 608 jeeves they attain salvation. Okay, so this process, this Jainism is not the religion of some few years back, but it is a religion that had been since eternal time, and it will continue to exist till eternal time. Okay, so if you are interested in attaining salvation, you want to attain the peace, that position of eternal peace, eternal knowledge, eternal power, then you will have to follow what Tirthankaras have said, what path they have showed for salvation. And if you want me to continue with this session more, if you want to learn more about Jainism, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I can continue more on this videos. Okay, so first of all, you should remove your myth regarding Jainism, that it is a religion that was founded by Lord Mahavira, and it is also not a religion of 2000 that is since 2500 years back or what, but it is an eternal religion, and it is eternal it will remain eternal in future also, and it is the religion for everyone. है ना. It is not that all those who are born in this Jainism are only the can only be the followers of Jainism, but everyone can be the follower of Jainism by just following the path that has been showed by Jinendra Bhagwan or 24 Tirthankaras, and they can also attain the path of salvation. The basic thing is to have belief in their teachings, in the path they have shown, and to behave accordingly. Jai Jinendra.